Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Swapna here. Hope you all are doing well. So recently I bought a couple of these cute little office decor stands from Ikea. As you can see, this is a two-layered perspex and it comes with a stand as well. So my plan is to convert this into something beautiful. As a quick and easy DIY project, I'm thinking of going ahead with the freehand floral design. So here I'm using a brush. As you guys know that I don't prefer to use brush in most of my glass painting projects, but for paintings like this it's advisable to use the brush, but make sure to clean it properly with spirit. I'm just making impressions of floral petals using various solvent based glass colors. Believe me guys, this is so much fun to paint without any restriction of any glass liner. So you can just go ahead with your guts and paint some flowers. Here I'm using the glass colors from Pebeo and Marabou Glass Art. As you can notice, I'm just making impressions of these florid petals. To add some contrast, I am also adding this turquoise shade. And also some leaves with emerald shade. And some creepers as well. In between using each of these shades, I'm not cleaning the brush, but rather I'm just wiping off the excess paint using a cloth. Since I'm planning it to be an office decor, I also thought of adding a wording. And I fixed hello to be the word. Now I'll let the painting dry thoroughly before adding few details with these glass liners. After adding all the details, I let it dry thoroughly and just fix it on the stand. So that's it. This is how our finished painting is looking. Without any background, it will look like this. It will definitely be a really elegant piece of office decor. Since it has a provision to add any background, I thought of adding a white sheet of paper in between this perspex layer. It definitely made a difference. Now it's appearing much more brighter. I think I would go ahead with this one. Hope you all enjoyed watching this video. This is a really quick and easy DIY. You can convert this perspex stand into something beautiful. Until we see again next time, keep creating, stay blessed, bye.